Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Experiment time again. We got rice. This is jasmine rice. I just watched a video from India. Who sent it to me? Can't remember your channel name. Something real, something for you, for life. Sorry. Anyway, it was a video from India making puffed rice. It was on my video for puffed rice that I made, which is really cool, but it's a pain. So this puffed rice, we had a similar thing when I was a kid that we had for breakfast. I grew up a long ways from many rice fields, but that's what we had. So I got my big pot. I'm going to put a handful of rice. I'll put a link to that video in the description. Go check it out. It'll be well worth your time. Amazing how fast this happens. I don't know if I'm going to get anything. One thing they add in theirs was it was like a giant wok, and it was full of sand. Very, very fine sand that they used over and over again. And that's really cool. I don't know what that was for, if it was for like a temperature distribution each thing. I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen here. That's why we call it an experiment. Nothing is happening. You see it? Not hot enough, maybe. Come on, do something! Because this is how we make toasted rice, right? We make toasted rice for a lot of Thai food. It's dancing. And then you just put it in a hot pan and let it get golden brown. It's not gonna work. It's toasting. Experiment fail. Need more light. Yeah, it's just burning. How did they do that? Interesting. We make toasted rice out of sticky rice. This is jasmine rice. And then when it's golden brown, you put it in the pestle and mortar and smash it up into a powder. And that's all that's going to happen with this. Interesting. Well, I had to try. It's really, really cool. And that, I tell you gotta go check that video out. Well, we're going to have some interesting toasted rice. Breakfast for the chickens. So what's the difference? Out of their rice, maybe it's a different kind of rice. They did it with two. One was a white rice and one was a brown rice, I think. This is the white rice turning brown. Oh well. Worth a try. Okay guys, that's it. No point keep burning this. Destroying my pot. Terrible. It's probably worth 50 cents this pot. But when the boss sees it, he will think it's worth $1 million when she explodes. What did you do with my pot? Oh well. Toasted rice for the chickens in the morning. If I know where to put it. Look at my fire. Nice and hot, huh? Whoa, that's hot. Hot rice, hot rice. Yeah, it didn't expand or nothing. It's actually, well, other than hot, it tastes okay. Toasted rice. Mmm. That's good. And yeah. Check out our video. That was cool. Those old ladies. You know, something that they do every day, obviously. Pretty interesting. Unfortunately, their secrets were not given up. Although there was a bunch of other similar videos. The secret is out there. I just thought this was worth a try. It didn't work. Holy frickin' hot. The rice, not the fire. Mmm. It's got this nutty flavor to it. You know, it's almost like a frickin' hot. Yes. It tastes like nuts, some kind of roasted nuts. Cool. Maybe the chickens won't get to eat it. Alright guys. Too bad it didn't work, but what are you gonna do? Don't know if you don't try. As always guys, thanks for watching.